The 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback stands before us in all its glory, deep metallic red shimmering under the warm spotlights of a luxury showroom, its chrome trims catching every glint of light, parked proudly on a glossy white marble floor with the number plate, 1967 Mustang, in bold black letters over a white background, a perfect opening scene as we take in the front three-quarter angle that reveals its muscular hood lines and iconic shape. Moving to its side profile, we see the uninterrupted flow of the fastback roofline, the polished chrome mirrors, the finely sculpted wheel arches, each reflection dancing on the showroom's pristine floor, every detail a testament to timeless design. As we shift to the rear three-quarter view, the classic triple taillights glow subtly, the slope of the fastback lending a sense of speed even while standing still, the dual chrome exhaust tips promising raw power. A closer look at the front grille reveals the legendary Mustang pony emblem, perfectly centered and framed by the deep red bodywork, while the chrome grille bars sparkle in the spotlight. Zooming further in, the round headlight comes into focus, its flawless glass lens and polished chrome bezel showing no hint of age, with the number plate still visible just below. The scene shifts to the driver's side interior. The black leather seats, stitched with precision, invite you to sit. The brushed aluminum dash gleams beneath the lighting, and the iconic three-spoke steering wheel proudly bears the Mustang logo. Leaning closer, the dashboard instruments display their chrome-rimmed elegance, with each gauge clearly defined against the aluminum panel, a reminder of an era when driving was both art and thrill. The steering wheel center emblem glistens in a macro shot, flanked by chrome spokes that carry the touch of craftsmanship. Just beneath, the manual gear shifter stands ready, its chrome base reflecting light, the black knob a tactile promise of mechanical connection. The hood opens to reveal the beating heart, a mighty V8 engine, chrome air filter cover catching the light, black hoses and components neatly arranged, every bolt and bracket as clean as the day it left the factory. We then come down to the tire and rim, the polished chrome wheel wearing its Mustang center cap proudly, the black performance tires tread lines crisp and ready for the road. Turning to the rear, the full-width view presents the car's commanding stance, the number plate framed between the glowing triple taillights, all backed by the same elegant showroom. From above, the roofline's smooth arc and chrome trim create a flowing silhouette, the black leather interior peeking through the glass roof and windshield. Opening the passenger door reveals the same inviting black leather and brushed aluminum interior, the gear shifter and steering wheel promising control and comfort. At the back, the open trunk displays its clean black carpet, its chrome latch polished to perfection, all framed by the deep metallic red paint. The camera lowers to reveal the underbody, chrome exhaust pipes, suspension details, and the underside lines of the fastback, as flawless as its exterior. Another side view with the hood open gives us a different perspective of the V8's craftsmanship, while a close-up of the chrome Mustang side emblem reminds us of the heritage this car carries. At the rear again, a macro view of the triple taillights shows the flawless chrome trim and red lenses, while the number plate below remains a constant signature. Finally, a wide-angle view captures it all, the 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback standing as a centerpiece in the luxury showroom, deep metallic red, chrome trims, black leather interior, brushed aluminum dash, number plate, 1967 Mustang, gleaming in
white and black, a legend frozen in perfection, yet always ready to roar back to life.